Hi! In front of me is CAT S40 and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, access Play Store and download printing service that's right for your printer. When you're done, you need to go into settings, scroll all the way down and select printing. Then click on downloaded print service, and click on the switcher. Then choose OK. As you can see, my device is now searching for a printer. When it finds one, it will connect to it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!